Everyone's talking about Web3 and AI, but where do all those massive data sets actually get stored? What if the storage layer of the internet was open, decentralized, and permanent? None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into Filecoin. So here we are on Filecoin. And if you don't know what Filecoin is, it's the decentralized backbone for storing data across Web3 and AI projects. It provides verifiable, cost-efficient storage for anyone building in crypto, research, or machine learning. In short, it basically uses the blockchain to store data in a decentralized way. So anyone can pull that data from the blockchain without it being centralized or monopolized, like we see with big tech. This could be great for podcasts, dApp websites, personal files, and so on. Now, for developers, they can deploy decentralized apps that rely on Filecoin to store and retrieve user data automatically. The infrastructure they've set up here is truly one of a kind, and it really does raise the bar for blockchain storage as a whole. It integrates with IPFS, giving dApps permanent content address storage that they can access at any time. And because this is on the blockchain and decentralized, if one node goes down, another node can step in to fill that gap, since it's such a huge network. But if you were using storage on, say, Google Cloud or something like that, if their servers went down at any point, there would be no way to access that file, and everyone connected to it could be affected. This basically just solves that problem entirely. Want to dominate your niche and flood your inbox with leads? Here's Yati Ranker to help you build the right strategy and make it happen. First, let's open up an incognito window to keep everything fresh. This will make sure there's no history or cookies and will guarantee unbiased results. Next, we're going to open up YouTube, just like you see here. We're going to click on these three dots, and we'll see that, yes, the language is set to English, and the location is set to the United States. Now, I'm going to search for Saxo Broker as our keywords, and we're just going to hit enter and see what shows up. As you can see, the first result here is actually my video about Saxo Broker, and thanks to this strategy, we're ranked right at the top of YouTube. So this just goes to show that the strategy works, and you can actually go and test it yourself. So enough waiting. If you're serious about leads and niche power, head over to ytranker.net today and make it happen. Let's get back to the video. This helps eliminate single points of failure and ensures true data ownership. Now, if you're part of an AI team, stick around because this is where it gets cool. AI teams can securely store large-scale data sets for model training. Filecoin's distributed structure lowers costs while increasing redundancy. The network basically uses cryptographic proofs to verify that data stays untouched and accessible over time. So even though it's accessible through this massive network, you're not actually losing any privacy or running into major cybersecurity issues because it's all cryptographically secured and uses blockchain. Filecoin also enables compute over data, allowing on-chain processing without having to move massive datasets. It's already being used in projects that handle climate data, open science archives, and decentralized research. Now, all of this is powered by file tokens that make the system self-sustaining. This rewards both storage and compute providers across the board. So as an economy, Filecoin is at the center here. Really, really cool project. And the infrastructure around it truly innovates on the traditional ways people store data. And it's also worth noting that Filecoin's network capacity now spans exabytes of storage worldwide. Its open-source ecosystem supports everything from data DAOs to decentralized compute frameworks, making it a foundation for the next generation of the internet. So if you're building in AI, Web3, or research, this is the infrastructure layer that keeps your data secure, open, and verifiable. Explore Filecoin and see what decentralized cloud really looks like. That's going to be it for me. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next one.